What if everything you thought you saw in nature was a lie? A snake banded in red, yellow, and black glides silently through the undergrowth. A leaf trembles on a branch, then slowly walks away. A creature melts, reshapes, becomes something else entirely. In the wild, survival often depends not on strength, but on deception. From forests to coral reefs, evolution has crafted some of the most convincing illusions on Earth. This is the hidden world of mimicry, where seeing is not believing, and every glance could be a mistake. Camouflage is about hiding, blending into the background, becoming invisible. Mimicry is far more audacious. It's not about disappearing, it's about pretending to be something else entirely. A harmless animal masquerades as deadly. A predator wears the disguise of its prey. An organism copies not just shape or color but movement, behavior, even intent. These are not accidents of appearance. They are evolutionary performances refined over millions of years, where the cost of failure is death. Consider the king snake, completely harmless, yet dressed in the warning colors of the highly venomous coral snake. To a predator, the difference could mean life or death, and most won't risk finding out. Red on yellow, kill a fellow. Red on black, friend of Jack. This is Batesian mimicry, where the powerless borrow the reputation of the dangerous. Hoverflies do the same. They buzz like wasps. They dress like wasps, yet they can't sting at all. But in nature, perception is everything, and hesitation alone can save a life. Sometimes the deception goes even further. In Malarian mimicry, genuinely dangerous species converge on the same warning signals, sharing the burden of education. Predators learn once and remember forever. Mimicry isn't only defensive. For some, it's a hunting strategy. In the darkness of the deep sea, the anglerfish waits. A glowing lure dances before its mouth, mimicking a small, helpless meal. When curiosity draws prey close enough, the illusion ends instantly. Elsewhere, spiders disguise themselves as ants, not just in appearance, but in posture and movement. They infiltrate colonies, bypassing alarms, walking freely among their victims. In these moments, mimicry becomes a weapon, silent, precise, and devastating. Some animals take deception to extraordinary levels. The mimic octopus doesn't just change color, it transforms identity. With a shift in posture and motion, it becomes a venomous sea snake. Moments later, a lionfish, then a flatfish gliding across the sand. It doesn't just look like danger. It behaves like it. On land, caterpillars stiffen into perfect twigs, swaying with the wind. Dead leaf butterflies display veins, decay, even the illusion of fungal damage. The disguise is completed by behavior movement that convinces the observer the illusion is real. These performances are the result of an evolutionary arms race. Predators evolve sharper senses, prey evolve better lies. Through natural selection, the most convincing deceivers survive long enough to pass on their traits. Over generations, those traits become refined color patterns, sharpen, movements perfected, behaviors hardwired. Cephalopods rely on chromatophores' specialized skin cells that expand and contract in milliseconds. Insects evolve body shapes sculpted by pressure and probability. The question isn't why mimicry exists. It's how much further it can go. What levels of deception are still waiting to be discovered? Human ingenuity is now learning from nature's tricksters. Engineers study adaptive camouflage for robotics. Medical researchers explore surface mimicry inspired by insects. Designers borrow strategies refined long before humans existed. Nature has already solved problems we're only beginning to understand. So the next time you walk through a forest or dive beneath the waves, look closer. That leaf may be watching you. That harmless creature may be playing a dangerous role. In nature, deception isn't an exception, it's an art form. If you enjoyed this journey into nature's hidden performances, subscribe, share, and tell us, what's the most convincing impersonator you've ever seen? Because in the wild, nothing is ever quite what it seems.